Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna actually be doing like a little vegan mukbang. We're at Green Tomato Grill. And literally I've been in California for 4 days now, and like every day I come in here. I'm with my cousin Nina and then with our Uncle Joe. I'm not gonna show him just because he known out here, so we don't need him getting caught up. But we already ordered our food, so we're just waiting for our food. But I think it's so cute because like it says Chris's Corner. That's why I was like, I need to sit right here because like they made it literally for me, and this is my corner. So like, but yeah, I'll see you guys when we get our food. Our food is here, you guys. Thank you. Do you guys have like chili? Like a...
We have habanero sauce, chili verde sauce, chili garlic sauce.
Oh, can I do chili verde?
Yeah, can I get one too?
Thank you. Okay, so me and my uncle got the same thing, and then Nina got a wrap. That looks really freaking good.
Vegan ranch.
Vegan ranch wrap, and this is a chicken chili verde bowl. It's so freaking good. Yeah, wrap was really good. We also got chili verde sauce. Way better than Chipotle, that's for sure.
It's healthy and organic.
Yeah. I can't wait to go to Colorado, back to Colorado, and try to find like a good spot. Yeah.
I don't know if I should try it. Let's try it. You like it?
Good, yeah. And then I got a cucumber mint jalapeno drink. It's really good. Really freaking good. So we live for it.
This is really good.
The green sauce. I feel like I look awkward because I'm like trying to get shown because I'm so tall, you guys. And I'm trying to get like an angle.
It's like you're like falling off. Put your back here. There you go.
Then I look big. It's actually really freaking good though, you guys.
We should like do ASMR.
I know,
Like you just like do it at home or like go to like a park where it's really quiet. Sometimes it'd be loud at my house.
I like a loud house, so it's like, you know.
Have you seen that show? The Loud House? It's funny. The Loud House, have you ever seen that show? The boys watch it. It's like a big family. There's like 10 kids or something like that.
Because I've had such a and I haven't worked out. Like I took literally 4 days off of since I've been out here. I haven't worked out. Well, the day I came out here, I worked out, but like before I came, but that doesn't count. And I thought I brought a lot of workout clothes. I was like, oh, I'm gonna work out, like, you know, we're gonna do this, do that, and then yeah.
We slept.
I guess I did get a little workout when we went to the beach.
Is it a walk? That power nap? That power nap turned into like hours and hours. Why?
So,
how do you know?
So one of the DJs invited me last night to go to a show, and I was telling Nina like, oh, okay, like, you know, it was Sunday, and we're like, oh, maybe we could go out. The shows out here are crazy though. This show started at midnight and ended at 8:30 in the morning. So I was like, and Nina was like, let me just take a quick power nap, and then she fell asleep, then I fell asleep, and then we woke up and it was like 6 a.m.
It was.
And we were like, what happened? But that's just, you know, it was a sign I'm not meant for us to go out.
But at least we found a new location, like a new spot. I mean, like, we kind of did plan it.
Yeah,
my alarm
we were
just
looking all
didn't go
day.
off for some honestly didn't. I just turned it off. You ever do that in your sleep?
And I really didn't want to go, or else I would have stayed up, waiting. Because I was like, I was just like, I need to network more, but I was like, it's kind of late, and then I have my flight today, so.
You were gonna watch a movie with us, no? Such a pinner.
He was gonna watch a movie, and then Nina put on Megan, and she fell asleep, and I'm like, girl, what? Who goes to sleep to a scary movie? Like, you know, like having it in the background. I woke up, I was all scared, and then I fell back asleep. I woke up and something completely different was on.
Yeah, I thought you put it on.
No, it just played. I was like, what is this? It was pretty funny, you guys.
It was really, really loud. I felt like it was literally a fever dream.
I kind of want to try your rap.
Let's try it, okay? See what the green sauce. Like yours? Does your guys have like what chicken in it?
Fire. Her rap is really good. I love avocado. Yeah. Especially on homemade tortilla, like fresh, warm. You guys, I literally finish this bowl too every time I'm here. Because that's just how delicious it is, honestly. Chef kiss. Still. Why are you laughing?
Everybody got a quiet.
I know.
It's like it
Also,
felt
you
like
guys,
somebody was inside.
I know, that's what I was like, why is it like a... Anita took my photos today, they came out so good. You guys need to follow me on my Instagram to see them. It's giving very... This whole trip has been giving very main character energy. Me. What I need.
You should be like the promoter for like events.
I know, that's what it's giving since I'm like getting into the rave scene and stuff. Like everyone's already following me. All these DJs are like, let me know when you're in town so I can get you on the guest list, even if I'm not doing the set. And I'm like, I don't know. I just really attract people, you guys. Like my energy, I don't chase, I attract. So like a lot of people just like, I guess want to be my friend. I don't know, but I'm just taking it all in a good way and like, you know, accepting the new. And that's why I feel like the racing is so like opening arms and stuff, like
Especially to the gay community.
especially my favorite part is the fits, the outfits. Oh, you guys, if you've seen what I wore to like the underground show I went to, like I love fashion, so like I love dressing up. I love, you know, being the center of the attention.
Those guys didn't want to give each other like a handshake or a hug, so they went with their elbows.
Peace out, bro. I thought they were on a date. Do you think they were on a date? That's what I thought.
I kind of did long because they were sitting across each other. What? I'm not going anywhere. What about my actions? I wasn't. I'm literally sitting down.
Where are you going? That's how their relationship is, you guys. They always be roasting each other.
Yeah, but sometimes he'd be pulling out his napkin and crying.
Ooh, Uncle Joe?
He does it all the time. I see he's crying right now. He doesn't even know what to say. He's like still over me.
Wow, Nina.
I've been talking to him in front of Nadia or Nebby. Mainly Nadia, but She been feeling bad and she been telling me to chill.
I know. She does not.
That's how you guys' relationship is.
That's how we are. That's how
Yeah.
me and Kiana, same way. The same way. Me and Kiana,
Isn't it crazy how we were all little and you seen us grow up?
yeah, that's what to this day, like, you guys, like, me and you guys talk like, oh, you're sure right now. Makes you feel old. Even though I'm not old.
You don't look old. I feel like you've always been old to me, so like
Thanks.
not like that, but like you get me. I've
You
always
know that
been
show
like,
Uncle Grandpa?
yeah.
That's it.
Me. That's what Christian, that's what, that's what Christian Isaac called me. Nathan Isaac called me from Grandpa. I mean,
That's good.
the only person that white dream is you, honey.
The what?
The only white dream on your kids is mom's kids. Mom's kids are their white dream. The white dream every other kid is mine. That's your mom's. The only one, that's the only one I white dream.
I love though eating vegan food because I don't get bloated. Like this whole time I've been on here, I have not been bloated. I have not been like, you know.
Next year's the last day of white dream.
Who?
Next year.
Exodus?
He was 2 years old. He's 6 right now. I'm almost 7.
Aww.
That's the last kid of white dream.
We traumatized our Uncle Joe because it's like I've watched all y'all, so that I'm like he's like I don't want kids. I'm good. I don't know. Everybody who was the baddest. Me.
About 200 y'all.
I would call him Uncle Theo when I was little, y'all. Was I the baddest out of all of them or no?
The Boobies and Boo Boo are bad.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm guessing Boo Boo.
I'm like, was it the baddest?
This one listen too though.
Because some stories he be telling me, I'm like, really? I was like, that bad?
Uncle Theo, like somebody Carlos. Uncle Theo felt like that, right? Finally, like, Grandpa stopped talking to your dad. And what, Boogie, what? Fuck you, Uncle Theo. And you got mad for waiting probably so long.
Are you reaching behind it too? I don't know if you remember, but yes, you said that like,
Oh, yeah. Because they were like, you were so bad when you were young. And I was like, I was mad because I didn't have a dad. That was
when
my
you said every
excuse.
guy that you saw,
What?
he was toxic.
Yeah, pretty much. I was a little silver tooth kid, you guys. Like, literally.
Did you have any?
Yeah, I didn't even have my whole front teeth were gone, and then I had like silver teeth on the two sides.
On
I
your
could see
kid?
that.
I was bad.
Uncle Theo.
I looked like an ankle biter.
She said, Uncle Theo, fuck you, Uncle Theo. And it was funny.
Oh, I love to really, but I didn't realize that I'm probably gonna get copyrighted because of the music. I'm gonna have to put a song.
Grandpa told Bookies, fuck you, Bookies.
I know, and then I was like, why would you tell him that? He's like, he's a little cabrón.
And your dad goes, Carlos, how dare you tell us to criatura? He's just a baby. He's not well, he's something like that. And then you don't even know this little guy, you know? And on, I guess he told Felix, fuck you, Theo. Theo, he's going to Felix, fuck you.
That's what he gets.
Yeah, and then your dad says, fuck you too. So he called me your grandpa. You're fucking too, Bookie.
That's so funny though.
Well, if you were like my other cousin Hyro from my dad's side, he killed my mom's lizard. He grabbed, you know, those metal car trucks.
If you watch this, Hyro, I hope you're not a serial killer now. Because that's some serial killer.
Not an alcoholic though. Oh shit. It's like for a second I forgot we were recording, but then for a second
Oh, you're like, keep it in there.
But he got one of those cars and the lizard was just like chilling. I think it was an iguana actually. He grabbed the fucking car and banged it, and I guess like it was all deformed and shit. Like it was alive
That's
still, but it was like just deformed.
Let's take some Michael Myers.
But then it died out of pain.
That's sad. Pretty sad, pretty sad. I want to say for you guys, and this is how much I ate. It was really good.
The tomato looks like bacon.
Yeah, it does. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys like this little mukbang. I wanted to film it because honestly, this place, you guys need to come check it out if there's one near you. It's called Green Tomato, and then what I ordered was the chicken chile verde. It also comes with steak. My uncle was like, it wasn't good. But you guys want to come and check it out. So this place at Nice Guys are like my top two. Like I've been just bouncing back and forth. We tried Earth Cafe last night, but In another video where Nina put me in the hot seat, that's where we filmed eating it. So if you guys want to check that out as well.
This is your hot seat here, not the corner.
I know, because this is Chris's corner. I'm gonna show you some one last time.
Corner shot.
Corner. The one and only Chris. So I'll see you guys in my next video.